Good evening guys, and tonight I'm going to be fitting a CASEKOO full cover tempered glass screen protector for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's meant to be shatterproof and bubble free. And let's see what we've got in the box. This actually comes with two, so if you mess it up once, you've got another one. So we've got two of everything. And this one actually comes with a little phone holder as well, look. Pop your phone on it to watch it. Pop that one out there. That's the glass screen protector. That's your thing that gets the bubbles out at the end if there's still some bubbles in there. And you've got your wet wipe, and I think there's a drying cloth in there as well. Take the wet wipe out of the packet. So you try and make sure you can do this in an environment where you've not got too much dust to, because otherwise it'll just land straight back on the screen by the time you get it on. Get your drying cloth. Get your dust absorber. I'm not keen on fitting these glass ones. I've done it a few times before and I don't ever seem to get it right. So I'm hoping, because I'm filming this and getting it on camera, I'm going to do it right for you guys. So pop this one, it does say on there top. So pop that one onto the top of the screen there. Right, so we'll pop the glass screen protector out of this case. And you've just got to peel that one back apparently. But believe it or not, actually that's just the back. Pop it up into the corners. Run your finger down. Tell you what, I'm going to take that off just in case it's stopping it from going flat. Then give it a bit of a push out. I knew I'd make a boo-boo on camera. That's real life for you, isn't it? And doing it like this. See if we can get that out by lifting it up. Maybe trying to reapply it. There we go. So just gently try and pull it back up again if you have got a bubble there. And as you can see, that is fitted perfectly now. I can see a couple of tiny little bubbles there. Believe it or not, that's dust that's probably got on it again. The thing is, in this environment, there's dust floating around all over the place, so you're going to probably get a tiny bit underneath there. Obviously, it does come with two, so if you did want to do it again and do it more precisely, just keep getting that dust absorber on there. Just making sure you get that on there straight away once you've done that, to then make sure obviously it's dust free. Anyway, that's your lot. Thanks for watching guys. I got there in the end. Thanks for being patient. And thank you to all my subscribers, nearly getting near 1,000. Also, I've set buy me a coffee. So if you have enjoyed my video and you'd like to support me, then there's a link down below. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.